Hey bosses! In this video, we'll run you through all of the different settings you have available in your company account. So here you have your company account. You can see a building icon next to it. And here you have personal accounts under a company account. Here you have company settings. Here you can change your URL and password, the language settings of your company account, as well as put your own custom domain without the book like a boss branding. Here you can change how many seats you have under a company account or change the billing information as well as check invoices. Alright bosses, that's everything you need to know about company account settings.